Hello children, today we will study that how blood is circulated in our heart. Starting from the simple definition, what is circulation? It means movement of important materials which are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients along with the oxygen. The circulation occurs in our heart. Hence, the main function will be the circulation of blood, supplying the basic requirements like oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. It gathers carbon dioxide from our cell tissues and send it to lungs where carbon dioxide is removed from the body. These oxygen and nutrients enter in our body organ through heart with the help of blood. Now before going to the structure of heart, let's see the important parts. Small blood vessels helping in exchange of nutrients. Vein help in bringing blood to the heart, whereas artery do just the opposite job. These are two parts of our heart separated by septum. Heart has two parts, left and right side, having their own chambers upper and lower, which are called atrium and ventricle. Atrium is the upper chamber where blood enters and then it transports blood to the lower chamber of the heart, which is ventricle. Hope children this is clear. Moving to the next slide, which will give you a clear idea about the vital parts of our heart. Here, both right and left side of the heart are divided by septum. At the right, it is showing the two chambers, right auricle and right ventricle. Similarly, on the left side, left auricle and left ventricle. It is shown how the blood is circulated from the lungs to all parts of the body by entering the heart through the pulmonary veins and exiting through aorta. Similarly, again the blood gets circulated from all parts of the body to the lungs by entering through vena cava and exiting through pulmonary artery. So you see, pulmonary artery is the most important artery in the heart. Now let us move to the functioning of the heart. At first, as you can see, from the lungs, the pulmonary vein brings oxygen-rich blood to the left atrium, where the left atrium is in relaxed position. Here the arrows are depicting the blood flowing in the process. Then when left atrium contracts, at the same time left ventricle expands and the blood goes from the left atrium to the ventricle. When left ventricle contracts with help of aorta, blood is transported to all body organs of the body. Now from the body organs, vena cava brings deoxygen-rich blood to the right atrium of the heart when the atrium is in the relaxed position. When the atrium contracts, right ventricle relaxes and blood moves from right atrium to right ventricle. This time the right ventricle contracts with help of pulmonary arteries and deoxygen blood is transported to the lungs. As we have observed that two-time movement of blood occurs through the heart, that's why the whole process is called the double circulation of blood. So you can see it is a two-way process. Hope children we have made you clear with the circulation of blood and you will like the way of presentation at our academy. For further queries you can contact the given number and Academy Cerebral Science Academy. I assure you the best of your query solutions by our expert panel of teachers. Looking forward to see you.